Alright, I get this question a lot, and that is, how do I remove the locomotive shell on a Bachmann F7? Well, the first thing you need to do is take the fuel tank off. You want to be careful you don't strip the screws. You want to be careful you don't lose the screws, especially. They're just tiny little Phillips screws. And you know the Bachmann are DCC when they have the little DCC logo on it. The straight DC locomotives do not have that. You kind of just need to get this out of the way. It's not really necessary to take it apart, but you need it to get it out of the way so you can really get down in here. Now there's Phillips screws down in here. There's 4 of them, and they might be a little stuck, but just go gently. Go ahead and take those out. Once you have those screws out, make sure you've got them put safely somewhere where you can find them again. Now this is just going to lift out. You can do this a couple ways. You can just hold it like this and it'll drop off. Now you want to be careful of your front coupler because it's going to be stuck in the nose of that. So super careful. And be careful of all this. So this is really heavy locomotive. Here's all your DCC decoders, and it's all in there pretty good, so it's not going to come unhooked on you. Just be careful of these wires. And we're going to flip this locomotive over. And now what we need to do is open up this coupler box right here so that we can put a new Easy Mate coupler on. So gently with a screwdriver or whatever you need to do to get that open, very carefully. And that's probably going to happen as you're going to send it flying somewhere. Now once that's unhooked, you'll see that this pops right out. It looks like a medium center. The shank is centered in the coupler, so we want to find another one just like that. So let's see what we have. Is a KD coupler. That's a center mount. Looks right. Now the KDs don't have the springs there. The springs are different. So on second thought, after taking it apart, it looks like a short center shank. And you want to be careful when you put these on that you put it the right way up because you don't want the trip hook sticking up in the air. So you need that, and you need your little clip here. So we're going to put that in, and then this goes back on. And pliers are sometimes good to have. Right, so that's snapped back on. You want to make sure the springy thing works. Normally I would say put KDs on there, but unless you have a whisker coupler, these regular number 5s, you have to take this spring here and put that in, and it doesn't clear in the coupler box. So unless you have a whisker coupler, which I don't have one like that, you're going to have to put an Easy Mate in, or maybe a McHenry. So we're going to put this back on carefully. Make sure we put this pilot through there super carefully, because you don't want to break the coupler after we just put it on. And we're going to put our locomotive right back together the way we took it apart. So just drop the screws in. If you have a magnetized screwdriver, it's helpful. Fuel tank back on the right way. And you just snug these up. We don't crank them down, just get them snug, and then a little shake to make sure nothing's loose. So there's our coupler. Let's just put this on the track real quick and make sure that it works correctly again. Forward. All right, no problems. Thanks for watching another episode of Tommy's Trains, where we took this DCC Bachmann F7A and we put a brand new knuckle coupler on the front, an Easy Mate coupler, and we tested it out. Everything's working just like it did the day we bought it brand new. I appreciate you watching. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care now.